Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the iPad and clearing the workspace so nothing shifts while you work. Use a soft cloth under the device. This protects the screen. Now, focus on a corner seam. Slip a fingernail or thin plastic pick between case and device and pry gently. You do this because corners are usually the retention points. Once a corner detaches, the rest follows more easily. Maintain steady pressure and a shallow angle so you don't bend the frame or scratch the surface. Once a corner is free, continue along the side and unclip the case at short intervals, about 1 to 2 inches apart, so you don't stress any single clip. Use a plastic spudger or your fingernail rather than metal tools. This reduces the risk of denting the aluminum bezel. Keep the iPad face down on the cloth so the screen won't contact the table if the case slips. If a clip resists, pause and shift to the adjacent clip to redistribute tension before trying again. After you've cleared the perimeter clips, lift the back cover away from the iPad starting at the freed corner so you avoid snapping any remaining tabs. Check around the camera and buttons for tight spots and guide them out slowly. If the case is stubborn, warm it briefly with your hands or a hairdryer on low from 6 to 8 inches to soften material, then try again. If something goes wrong, look for caught debris or adhesive. Clean and realign before reassembling by pressing clips evenly into place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.